Imagine never having to charge your phone again. That's the promise of Betavolt's BV100, a nuclear-powered battery that's no bigger than a thumbtack yet boasts an incredible 50-year lifespan. Harnessing the steady decay of nickel-63, the BV100 utilizes cutting-edge semiconductor technology to convert nuclear energy into electrical power. With an energy density that could outperform lithium batteries by 10 times, this tiny titan is engineered to withstand extreme conditions without the risks of fire or explosion. From mobile phones to drones, the BV100 could eliminate the need for conventional charging, revolutionizing how we power our devices. Its robust design ensures functionality even under duress, such as exposure to punctures or gunfire. Betavolt is not stopping here. With plans to mass-produce the BV100 by year's end and a more powerful 1-watt version by 2025, this breakthrough positions China as a leader in sustainable energy solutions, potentially transforming energy storage for civilian and military uses alike.